There are two ways to upload files, from your local device to the DuoPlus cloud phone. One way is to upload directly within the cloud phone by selecting the local files and uploading them. After the upload is successful, there will be a prompt at the bottom. Then you can find the uploaded files in the File app of the cloud phone. The second method is to upload files via Cloud Drive. It acts like a file transfer station. Each cloud phone chip has 5 GB free storage space. Click Upload. Select the local files and upload them. This allows you to upload multiple files to multiple cloud phones, similar to a batch operation, which will be convenient if you need to use these files on multiple phones. Select Files and the cloud phone to upload. You can customize the storage path for the files at the top. If you want the files to be readable by TikTok, choose Camera Directory. Now you can publish your work on TikTok using the uploaded video files.